Hi, how are you? This is Besnia Boke's kitchen, and here we are trying to make some homemade French fries. So exciting! So I have my potatoes there ready, just ready for me to start peeling. So there we are trying to peel the potatoes, and yeah, peeling is quite a tedious process. But what to do? We want the kids to be happy that we're making French fries. There are people who like using the machine to chop so that they are equally, cut in size. But at home, you can definitely use your hands. So there we are trying to chop them. Make sure you dip the potatoes in water, clean water, so that they don't lose color. So as we are doing this, we are dipping them in water as we make sure that they don't lose color, so that they don't look sumptuous because of loss in color. So you chop as much as you can. The size depends on the size of your family or who you're cooking them for. So for us, we have a big family. That's why we're doing a lot of chopping there. So now we are ready to put them in water. We've washed them. Make sure you wash as much as you can. Have such a container that can put out the water. Then now you can easily put in some hot oil. So I'm using a fryer to make it easy to cook because we have a big group. So the fat or oil has heated up. And definitely once it's heated up, you can put in the potatoes and you cover up the fryer. We are covering up the fryer so that we can have some time to make it, give it some time for it to fry. So there we are. You have to keep checking so that they don't burn. So this oil is very hot. You have to make sure that you stay away so that you don't burn yourself. So yeah, after a while, keep checking, keep checking. Our fries look like they are taking shape and the oil is very hot. There we are. So you can have them as soft as you want or hard as you want. So our chips or French fries are ready. And there we are, ready and set to eat. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more and keep engaging us. Thank you so much and bye-bye.